guitar without any training, I decided to study music and learn this instrument properly. As I studied music, I began to notice how music is laid out in patterns, sequences, and a numeric system just like God's Word. Patterns in music match the patterns in His creation. The numeric system matches His biblical numbers. Now, every time I pick up the guitar, I gain scriptural understanding. Every time I read the scriptures, I gain musical understanding. This is the basis of our videos. If this interests you, please join with us on this path of discovery.